Let's go! Gawin, ang gawin! What? What the hell? What's up, chat? Welcome back again, and we are playing Digging Ours by Vogue the Brick. So, yeah, let's go. Let's play this game and see what kind of horror is this. Nice car, pre. Oh, tangina, man. Look at the camera angle, man. Their perspective. Oh, sheesh. Oh, so spooky, man. Ayos, oh. Ganda ng pagkakaano nila dito sa game na to. Like, whoa. Nice. Oh, di ako yun. The game. What? No sensitivity. Some sensitivity, man. Lakas. Eh, shit. Yan. Let's go. E. Somebody tried to write. Didn't go well. Girl, what is wrong with you? Uncle Junior. Nothing. Girl. Alright. Uncle Junior. What is wrong with you? What? That's kind of weird. Ganda ng vibe. Tayo. Uy, what? May run? Oh my god. Let's go. E. It's my car. Me. So where are we going?
An old farmhouse. We got some work to do there.
We got some work to do there. Oh. What kind of work?
Look, don't judge me for this. Remember those two guys?
The one we ran over and killed? Whatever they are. What the fuck, bro?
Yeah, those two. They've been visiting me in my dreams. I might be cursed.
So, are we going to the farmhouse?
We need to dig them up and burn them.
Hangin naman.
Di
lang nila pinatayin. Nilibing pa nila, tapos ngayon susunugin nila. You heard me? I read in some book a few days ago and it's the only way. What's wrong with you, man?
You gotta help. Just ask the guy for permission to dig on his property. Have my word.
Oh, yun na, man. Ikaw pala yung nakapatay. Kagitang yun. So, ang goal natin, sunugin natin yung mga katawan. Okay. Oh, Johnny. You're not doing that, Johnny, man. You know that. Let's go. Nice na kaso. Florentino. So, yeah. Private property. Ketchup order finally came. What? Ano oras? Hello? May tao ba dito? Tao po? Ano sumasagot? What the fuck, Johnny? Andiyan ka lang nagchichila. Nice.
How can I help you?
Me and my partner came here to dig some stuff on your land, and we need your permission.
Who are you?
We're from the government, bitch. We need to dig the stuff around here, man.
Government?
Yeah.
Get off my property.
I already told you. We're looking for Asian City or whatever. Why would you even care, man?
Just go away.
Let's go. Just give me damn permission so you can sus or later, or I don't have to break your fucking legs, man.
Alright, do whatever you want. But can you move those two bags over there?
Alright, I'm a good person after all, man. Ang ina, mabait. After mo sabihin, siraan mo yung legs niya. Let's go. Organ spring. Saan ko lalagay ito, sir? Fucking hell. I think sa fondo. Sabi ni. It's here. Speedrun, guys. Speedrun, speedrun. Wait, Johnny! Wait! Come on, man. Wait a minute. I got it, man. What? Oh, yeah. What? Let's go. Oh, man. What? Oh. What? Kailangan hanapin yung ano niya? Parts niya? Ayun o. Got it. 1. E. Diba to? Wala. I think may bad vibes dito mangyayari ah. Hello. Sa bato-bato lang pala. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Let's go, Johnny. Let's finish this shit. Alright. Dang gabi namin. God. Do you remember where we brewed them?
I'm pretty sure. I'll park at the crossroads. You'll go straight down the road. There should be an unmarked grave there. I'll dig up the other guy. We'll meet back at the car. Don't make too much noise. When you're finished, put the remains in your bag. Take care.
Fuck. Ayoko yung feeling na ganito. So... we should dig the... Ooh, spooky! Jump scared. Here he come. Don't make too much noise. Saan mo nilibing yun? Pre. Oh my god. Dito. Seriously. Sorry. Let's go. Cut. Let's go, man. Let's go. Rule number 1, where pa naglalaro kayo ng horror, guys, wag kayong titingin sa fucking hell, dear shit. Fucking deer. Damn it. Alright, yes, thank God. Yes, wait lang, guys. Let's go. Let's go, Johnny. Let's go. Gawin, ang gawin. What? What the hell? What happened, man? What the fuck? I failed you. Don't have to run away. You don't have to run away. Somebody left now. Somebody fucking shit here, you know? What's this? Saki. Ah! Oh! Oh! Fucking bra! Uy, Saki! Uy! I'm stuck, bitch! Bitch! Ulul! Ulul, pre! Ulul! Uy! Johnny! Fuck! You too, man. Nag-pro-stop pa. You too.
Alright, man.
Tangina mo, Johnny, man. Trinador tayo ng kaibigan natin, pre. Ay, na chat. What the fuck? The end. If you enjoyed the game, you want to support me. Nice. Nice, pero maganda pa rin siya after all. Like, yeah, betrayal to eh. Yeah. So, ano yun? Sacrifice? Like, what? So, by the way, maganda pa rin yung laro. So guys, see you to the next game. Babush.